Do you want something healthy for breakfast? Why not try an apple smoothie? Making smoothies at home are so easy to make, and it saves tons of money by doing it yourself. For this recipe, you will need apples, a half a cup of freshly squeezed orange juice, and you will also need a teaspoon of vanilla extract. So let's get into this video and I'll show you this really delicious breakfast smoothie. Don't go anywhere. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to add into my blender is a half a cup of freshly squeezed orange juice. Then I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And then I'm going to add my apples in the blender. Once I have all of my ingredients in the blender, then I'm going to blend them all up. And then you can also add a little bit of water to make it really nice and smooth. So I'm going to add some water into my blender as well. Okay, so I'm adding just a little bit of water into the blender, and now I'm going to mix all the ingredients together. Okay, now my apple smoothie is ready to be served, so I'm just going to pour it into my glass. And this is a great way to start your morning with an apple smoothie. It's really healthy and it's really good. So anyways, guys, if you are into cooking, into crocheting, that's all what my channel is all about. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so that way you be notified every single time. So don't forget to click on that notification button so you don't miss one single video that I post. So I will be posting some more videos on delicious recipes. So keep in mind, if you subscribe to my channel, you'll be learning more things about my channel. Take care, and I will see you soon.